Howdy, Nikki here. Wanted to speak about the cards that we pulled this morning. Pretty significant. See how she's wishing upon a star? She's got her cord here in the light. It's over here too. She's like in a manifestation. What is your heart telling you to do, you guys? What is your heart telling you to do? Then take action at it. Take action. He is leading by intuition. He has no reins. The horses are running on their own. What I love about these two cards, and I look through the whole deck, is that they have this swirling light of sparkling light around them. You see the sparkles here? It's swirling over here with the Chariot card too. So, hidden keys. So whatever your heart is telling you to do is where the keys to all of this lie. So be aware enough to be able to see it, right? We have synchronicities as in words, as in numbers that pop up all the time. That'll point you in the direction that you need to go. And Mother Gaia is here. She wants you to spend time in nature. That'll also free up the space that you need to figure these things out on where your heart is calling you. This isn't about anybody else but you and your manifestation that's already taken place. All right? And what I find very interesting in this, and why I had to speak of it, this card is an air sign card, the star card, and the Chariot card is a water sign card. And right now the stars are aligned in both of those signs. The stars are aligned in those signs. So you have to do nature-based flow in your awareness. This is something that only the angels can send us today. I feel like it's just about you and only you. What your heart tells you. So pay attention, be aware, and pay attention. Both of these cards too also have number 7s in them, if that is something that you pay attention to. And a little note here about, I had a family member die, good old Uncle Gene. Shout out to his sons and daughters and your loss. It's a great loss. He was a great man, and he made many impressions on my life, and I thank him, and I thank his sons and daughters. And be safe out there, you guys. I love you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. Be safe. It's love and light.